Alright, hello everyone. So, as you can probably guess by the title of today's video, we're going to be implementing pretty much the Onix client communication. So I've set up a collaboration with the Onix client developer to sort of implement my system into their client. Well, I've spoken to the developer directly, and yeah, so this is happening. So we're just implementing the socket that actually has is the communicator. So we're just gonna get started on that. So boop. Alright. So right now I'm pretty much done with the client and the server, so the main part of VoiceCraft is actually working. I'm going to turn down the music a bit. Okay, that's not the one. Okay. Alright, so pretty much this entire thing works. So I could probably release VoiceCraft now and it would work, but we're still missing that one feature, which is the Onix client one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new socket and also create new packets for the Onix client communication, since I've already got the documentation set up for that. So we can just do custom client.cs. We could probably change it later. I'll just have it as custom client. And what this is going to take, that's not what I wanted to do. What this is going to take is something to host on. So the same as MCWSs. So we're going to need a private socket, I believe. Yeah. Oh, we could just make a public socket. Why not? Public socket. And socket. Get set new socket. Address family dot internetwork, I believe it was. Socket type .dgram protocol type .udp, and then we could just do public custom client, create a packet registry, which is going to be a public, no, make a private packet registry. Packet registry, and then we just define our packets. So now that we've got that set up, we can define our packets first, which is under the core, I believe. Then we just do custom client. Oh gosh, am I going to have to? Yeah, I'm probably going to have to create one. So custom client packet.cs. And we've got that, and then we just set it up the same as what we've got. So in the documentation, we've just got the byte ID, and that's about it. So what we do, public abstract byte, and that's all we need, I think. Of course we need the enum, so this needs to be an abstract class. Gotta remember that. And then we'll just do a public enum. public enum custom client types. Well, this not entirely sure. So server ID, where's server? VoiceCraft packet. Public enum VoiceCraft packet types, and this one custom client types, and then we have login, logout, login, logout, accept, deny, and update. Accept, deny, and update. So then in the custom client, we just create a new class, call it login.cs, and public class login. That's all we really need to do. And then in the login packet, we just have the name length and the variable. So what I have to do is I just have to inherit the custom client packet. And I forgot two very important things for the packet, which is the read and write packet. It's a read packet. ID, we don't really need anything here. Oh wait, yeah, that's not gonna work. Hello. Okay, so ID, we don't need ID, and we don't need is reliable. We'll just return offset, because why not? And then write packet, we clear the packet stream, and we just add the packet ID onto it. And that's all we really need to do. So in the login packet, we just implement the abstract class, and then we just say this is a byte custom client types dot login, and then what was it? We need the name length and the name, so it's just a public string name. Get set string dot empty. That's simple. And then what we can do is we can do a public override write packet, that kind of thing, and public override read packet. Then with this, all we really need to do, so we have the offset, so var offset. Oh wait, no, that's not what we want. So we write the base, and then we just do data stream dot add add range bit converter. What? Does it not pop up? Thanks. So bit converter dot get bytes from the type of name.length. Then we just do if name.length is higher than 0, higher than 0, then we just do data stream dot add range encoding again. Okay, encoding.utf8.getBytes, and we just get the name and write that in. Next we have the offset, so we just do offset is equal to that, whatever it returns. Then what we need to do is we need to get the name length. So to do that, all we have to do is var name length is equal to bit converter to int 32, I believe, yeah. Then we just do offset plus equal to the size of integer. Then we just do if name length higher than 0, then we just do encoding dot utf8 dot to string, no, get string, that's right, data stream offset name length, and then we just do offset plus equal to the size of the, no, not size of, the name length. Then we just return the offset. That's simple byte writing. So I think that's pretty much what we do in the same one. Look at the VoiceCraft one. If we look at the accept packet or something like that, yeah, we can see we've got the key and then 2 inch 6. Oh, that's a short. Okay, I was wondering why. So and then we just have the base. Wait, I put the right packet on the bottom. No wonder why this was flipped. Looked weird a bit. Alright, looks a bit better. Alright, cool. So now we have to do the logout packet. Shouldn't take too long. So we just have a logout.cs. Copy most of this over. So we can just do that. Make this public. Change this to logout, and we don't need, I don't think we need anything, it's just logout, yeah. So we just have the logout packet, and I don't think we need to do anything at all, so we can just probably remove all of that. We don't really need anything. And what we need to do is need to create the accept.cs, and then public class accept, and of course we need to do, what is it? So accept client down, constant packet size. Okay, so it's 0 and the packet size is 1. So custom client packet, implement it. Then a byte of custom client packet types dot accept, and there's nothing in there, so we can just leave that be. And then we just do logout, so logout.cs. Oh wait, deny. We're supposed to do deny.cs. Hello. Then we just do custom client packet of type byte, and then custom client packet types dot deny, and we need the reason. And I don't really like this song, but it's fine. So accept, deny, then we have a reason and reason length. So it's pretty much the same as what we've got in the login packet. So we can just copy this over and paste it in. And rename this from name to reason. And rename this from name length to reason length. And that's all we need to do. So we can just exit out of that, new class, and we just create the update packet, which is a bit bigger. So update.cs, public class update, and then custom client packet. Byte, custom client packet types dot update. And now for the fun part, which is decoding all of this. So we need a public vector3 position. So that takes up the X, Y, and Z. That takes up the first three. We have the public float rotation, and that's the rotation of the player head in radians. Then we have a public float cave density, get set, and then public float, no, that's a boolean. Bool is underwater, get set. And then dimension ID length. So we have a public string dimension ID and public string not dimension name, level ID, public string server ID, and these can all be string.empties. Alright, now we've got to compress it into a couple of bytes. So to do that, we just have to do the same things that we have here. And then what we can do is we can just do that. So we read the packet, and then, okay, so this, we don't need all of this. We don't need this for now, and we do not need this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the encoding first. So data stream dot add range bit converter dot to get bytes. So position dot x data stream dot add range. So it's, oh wait, I can just duplicate this. And then data stream dot add range, which is the bit converter dot get bytes rotation. Then data stream dot add range bit converter dot get bytes cave density. Data stream dot add range bit converter dot get bytes bool, which is the, what is it, is underwater, which is essentially 1 byte, but honestly it doesn't really matter. Next is the HUD part. Alright, so what we can do is we can do data stream dot add range and bit converter dot get bytes, and what was it, dimension ID dot length. Then we just do if dimension ID dot length is higher than 0, then we add it. So data stream dot add range encoding dot utf8 dot get bytes dimension ID. We just do data stream dot add range, do the same thing again for the not the dimension ID, for the level ID. So that's basically the world. Then if level ID dot length is higher than 0, data stream dot add range bit converter dot get bytes level ID. Not sure what I'm going to use this for, but that's not bit converter, we want encoding. Alright, and then the last one, which is data stream dot add range bit converter dot to int get bytes server ID dot length, and if server ID dot length is higher than 0, data stream dot add range encoding dot utf8 dot get bytes server ID. These autocompletes are a bit annoying. And then that's, I believe that's all of the calculations. So now we got to decapsulate it. So to do that, what we do is we get the x, y, and z position. So we do position is equal to new vector 3, and then what we do is we do bit converter dot to single, which is a float, take in the data stream, and then the start index, which is the offset. So that's x. Then this is y. So offset plus equal to the size of float. So we're calculating the size of the previous one. Does this not like it? Cannot convert float to system.numerics.vector2. That's not what I want. Oh, there we go. Offset plus equal to the size of float. Alright, that's correct. And then we just do offset plus equal to the size of float. So that's XYZ done. And what we do is we get the rotation. So rotation is equal to bit converter to single offset, then offset plus equals to the size of float. Then what is it? So we have cave density, that's equal to the size of float. Then we have is underwater is equal to bit converter dot to boolean offset plus equal to the size of the bool. Then the dimension ID is length. So var dimension ID length is equal to bit converter and then offset plus equal to the size of int. Then what we do is if dimension ID length is higher than 0, then we calculate. So encoding.utf8 get bytes data stream. Oh wait, not get bytes, it's to string. No, get string index, which is offset, count is the dimension ID length. So dimension ID length. Hopefully that didn't destroy my microphone. And then of course we have to duplicate this two more times. So then instead of dimension ID length, we have level ID length. And I've made a mistake that I've made before, which is not assigning the actual variables. So and of course we need to do, what is it, server ID length. That one's also wrong. Let me just correct that. And then this is just the server ID length. And offset plus equals to the server ID length. And of course we also need to do that again for this. So we have level ID length, and then the dimension ID length. Cool, that's done. Quite a big function, but it should be efficient enough. So now that's done, we've got to write the socket for it. So that's the entire packet system done. So we just have to assign these. So packet registry, register packet, byte of custom client packet types dot login, which is 0, type of login. And then we just have to duplicate this by like that much. Login, logout, accept, deny, update. Then I also need to change this, so where's the packet registry? So it accepts the other type, so type of custom client packet dot is assignable from it's a mistake. And I just have to copy this and paste this down here. So where is it? Let's see if I can find it. Ooh, that might be a bit of an issue. Okay, yeah, that's an issue, so we need to add overloads for it. Public custom client packet, and my music stopped. Never. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Get byte array data stream. Well, it's almost done. The main core of it is done. So it's fully working now. I'm just implementing the Onix client stuff. I said doing that. I'm going to finish this today. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so that's done. So if I run the client, it should just... Oh wait, no, the client isn't registering it anyway, so it's pretty much useless at this point. Public void host. Might have to do a host async, so public async task. Then we'll do the same as what VoiceCraft does, which so we can just copy code over. So we have the private this thing. That's not what I wanted, but okay. That's what I wanted. And the activity checker and the sender, so we just put those two together. Wait, that can be like that. And we don't want that. Music. So that's packet registry, IP endpoint, we'll just make this, why not? Oh yeah, and we'll set a configurable timeout, so we'll set these private ones down further. That's it, why not? Okay, so that's being used, it's being used. I feel like I've done something wrong somewhere. Where's references for this? Oh, okay, so I've already covered that. It's voice proximity chat for Bedrock Edition. Okay, so we need a socket address, nullable socket address. We'll make this private, because why not? Private socket address. Remote address. Okay, so. And we also need a private long. Last active. I can show you in working, so hang on. Let's hope this builds. Okay, this does build. So I can just sort of boot up Minecraft and do that. I also need. Right, so that's it. Yeah, and then you've got all sorts of stuff. So you've got the client-side mode and that kind of stuff. This all works. That all works. This also works. So we have that. Let's set this back to 4. And of course I won't do anything, so so if we have the VoiceCraft server, well, I think we need to rebuild it. So VoiceCraft server, right, and then if I just run as administrator, and then VoiceCraft, also need to start the Minecraft server. Copy this key, configure it so I can just connect to it. Into Minecraft. So if this starts up, okay, there we go, start it up. So we can just go in, Actually, might start up a second instance. Yeah, it's a bit of a development string. So that's it, and then we can just place that down there. Alright, so what we can do is we can do connect 127.01.9051, that key, and then find 0, find fake, 18034 AAA. Alright, there we go. I'm going to mute myself, so alright, so yeah. Oh my gosh, I cannot. This is difficult to talk while yeah, you get the idea. It's pretty difficult to talk when you're also hearing your own voice back at you like a few seconds later, or a few milliseconds later. So yeah, and also you've got like these statuses, so if I deafen myself, you can see the deafen and undeafen. And also you can change the volume of each participant. And there are also channels. So for example, if I put in the channel, and then of course this client is in a different channel, so if I want to join, I could just put in that, and there we go. And yeah, I wonder if the exit, I haven't actually, okay, so that works. Good to know. Right. Yeah, and I've also stabilized this a lot more, so so the Minecraft server should not really disconnect that much, and the client should also have a better and faster stable connection. Previously I was using like a double socket method, which was pretty unstable at the time, so I reverted back. Also, there's also timeouts, so for example, if I if I close the Minecraft server, it should just time out. Yeah, there we go. Timed out. Yeah, it has to use a beta API because of the server net module that it uses. But it also can use like MCWSS, and since the Onix client implementation is going to be basically what the server can do, it's just a more advanced version of MCWSS. That's what I'm creating here. I can just do that. I'm not really sure. Just reordering some things. We'll just put that on top, why not? Okay, so now we just need the host async. So we just need, we can just sort of copy this. So where's host? There are a couple of versions I've already released, but they're mostly unstable, except for I believe v1.0.2 or 3. I'm not really sure. Those ones are kind of fine, I think. Well, they're fine. They should be fine. No. Dispose. Let me just do that. So copy this, and also we need a state. So we'll just create the public enum custom client state. Stopped. Starting. Started. 8. Connected. Stop. Just stopping? Did I? Okay, so that's stopping. The state. Just did you make sure that your geometry is imported correctly, is valid, and you've got a material render? You have to have a material renderer, and you have to have like the geometry and what was it? I forgot what it was. If it's not showing, it's most likely like, and you have like a geometry error, then your geometry is not loading. Then if no errors come up, then your entity has no material, which you need to create one for. Custom client state. Okay, so that's, don't need that. Oh, that might be a bit of an issue. Oh wait, no, that's fine, I think. Yeah, okay, it's just on the stopping side. That's fine. Else if it's stopped. The most possible reason is, hold on, you need to create a material. And what the, so where is it? So there's the entity, you need to create some kind of material. I forgot what it was. Yeah, okay, so you have to create a render controller. If you haven't made this, it won't actually show. I can't zoom in on this, can I? No, I can't. And then if you, where is it? Okay, there we go. Yeah, you need to create this. This is a render controller. If you don't have this, it won't actually, nothing will work, or you won't be able to see your entity at all. And then yeah, you have to make sure that your model is inside the entity folder, inside the models folder, and then you have all of the attachments here. So that's the basics of it. Okay, so we can just do. Oh wait, I already got that. Actually, I might just rename this to custom client socket state. Then the SIO UDP connection reset, which is this stupid thing that I have to implement. I don't know why it exists, but it exists. Can I convert system.i? Port does not exist in the current context. And that should do it. So we don't. So we need the activity checker. Oh, for the good part of like, I don't know, since I was like 11, I'm now 19, so like 8 years. I've just been messing with Bedrock Edition. And of course we have to do the stop async. Oh, a lot of people in like, who's it? Yeah, Bedrock Edition development. Yeah, a lot of people are pretty old. In the end, we all love the game that we play. Nice. State. So we set the state. So here. That's also wrong. We have to change that to custom client. Oh wait, that has to receive a string. I wonder why that's erroring out. So that's it. Oh my gosh. And then we'll have to deregister events. cds.cancel, cds.dispose, socket.close, socket activity checker. So I think we can just copy and paste this entire thing anyways. Custom client socket state dot stopped, and then we just have to fire the onStopped event, and we also need to do the like what is this one? Alright, so this one is a massive thing that we can just sort of also copy and paste. Most of this is just copying and pasting. Oh, we don't need the debug logs, I don't think. We also don't need this, I believe. yeah, we just handle the packet directly. So we just say what is it? So yeah, we'll just call handle packet directly. I think that's a good way to do it. So you know what? I might just add. Yeah, why not? We'll just add it because why not? And then of course we need to create the debug stuff. So debug settings. Here we go. So we can just copy and paste that in. Region debug tag and region, and we just need to do custom client packet types. Then on inbound packet, and we also need the exception error. It's not an add-on, it's a software, but it works in part with an add-on. We don't need this. Okay, so yeah, we'll just like encapsulate this entire thing so we can make it easier to read this code. And so we don't need this, and we don't need this. Right, so we've got the check. Alright, so we'll do these delegates first. So error and debug events. Hashtag region delegates. Hashtag region events. That's also the wrong type of delegates, but we can just change that. So custom client packet. In the meantime, I actually might have to check this. Where is it? Do we need elevator controls to do this? This one. So if we do check net isolation .exe boot back exempt -s. Okay, so yeah, we can actually see it, and there's the ID, which should be the same as this. Has it been changing over time? I don't remember these. Oh, and I allowed my own. Okay. Yeah, there's two versions that I've got. What? Okay. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. Alright, so we've got dash s, and I wonder if we can actually get a single, so I believe it was that. Okay, so check net isolation exe loop back exempt. Can we do it? Oh. Nothing. And then can we just view all the... Okay, so we can see here that we've got, so it shows the list of loopback, clears the list of the packets family, delete any container, add the container, app container. So if we do dash s, if we do dash n is equal to minecraft.uwp or something like that. Oh wait, Microsoft.minecraft. Microsoft.minecraft uwp. Can we see it? It still checks the name. Can we just like filter it out? No, it still provides the full list. That's a bit of an issue. App container package source, so SID. Oh, they're arguments. They're not the actual thing. So if we do a dash p is equal to the argument, so we have this SID. Yeah, they're just arguments. They don't do anything. Cool. Can we see like what kind of commands that we can run? So dash. No, it's still the same thing. So operation dash n dash p. Yeah, there's not much we can do. Right, so what we do on inbound packet. Okay, we also need to get rid of the net peer. It should do it, and then we can just get rid of these net peer things. Packet is not null here. Converting packet cannot convert VoiceCraft packet to get custom packet from packet data stream. I could do that method, but I don't think it will really make a difference anyways. Then we just have to handle the packet. So we just do a handle packet. Then we just have the received address and packet. Should be a socket address, right? Yep. So what we can do is we can just go down here. And then just handle the packet directly. So handle packet received. And we can just do that. That's not what I want to do, but this is what I want to do. Since we're only listening for one client, we don't really need to do anything. I'm not sure why that did that, actually. Nope, that's not right. Why is that doing that? What is going on? Okay, that made it. And we just want the custom client packet, as well as the received address. And then we just change this to custom client packet. Cannot convert from byte to custom client packet types. Custom client types. There we go. That should do it. Oh gosh. Please don't tell me the microphone just went berserkers again. Alright, so case custom client dot login, breakout, and we duplicate it 4 more times. Accept. No. Update. Then we need these update packets, so we just need a generic delegate. So packet data, that's all we really need. Okay, good. Because sometimes it just glitches out like heck. And it gets really annoying, so. Started, stopped, packet data, and we don't need the net pair. We just need this socket address. Okay, that's done. And then what we can do is create these events. So we just do a public event started on started, and public event stopped on stopped, public event packet data. Then we do packet data of custom client pack. No, actually not custom client packet. Login, and then on login. Login, logout, accept, deny. So login, logout, accept, deny, then update. So logout, on accept, on deny, then we do an on update. Okay, so that's right. So that's done. On inbound packet. We'll just separate these so it's easier to read. Also need to check and the handle packet. Received. That's not how you spell received. So we have that, and then on login invoke. Do we have do we name these so it's received? Yeah, okay. Because there's nothing that's naming it. received. Why is that not accepting it? Oh, because it's not packet. It's just login received. Dot invoke. Then we just put in the address. Oh wait, no. Packet. Going to cast it to a login. And the address. And we just need to duplicate this. A lot of this is just like generic code. Probably use AI for this, but honestly, this is fine. And that is not right. Update. Alright, that's it. That's done. Go away linking. I don't need LinkedIn. Alright, so that's done, and then we also need the server sender, sender and checker. These should be hard to just copy and paste these anyways. Oh wait, and we need a thank you.
Yeah. Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous. I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. my life is lovely, now I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finally, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music. I'm saying
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye. If we are one grain of sand in the middle of the ocean, can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosions? Rise up, I'm too great to be landed. Rise up, we're too great to be standing.
They ain't never gonna stop us, fly at 'em like choppers, better cook those risks, cold blood on my fists, we fight. I'm headed to the bottom of the bottle, I've been drowning, I've been floating away. Every other dollar that I got in bed, I probably went and it away. I ain't f***ing okay, I ain't liking it, babe. I don't even wanna talk, I'm just smoking my haze. I've been stuck in my ways, I've been stuck in for days. I've been staring at the clock as the radio plays. I'm enslaved. Yeah, rolling another, I'm stuck in my seat for the whole control of my speech. Yeah, I've been trying to get off this couch for a minute and a whole week. No kidding, I'm skinny, I cannot eat. Got a million cause that depend on me. Yeah, every friend in my family, from a girl, every fan I meet myself. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down to make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Oh my devil, when I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yo, stop, steadily killing me, running my brain full of shame, I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to run my pain. See the sun coming out of that rain. My team really not tame, I'ma never slow down, I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this prison, inside this cage, it's taking over. Yeah, I'm a slave for you. ripping harder, more less. Never stop, no rest, till the stress is breath in my chest. Till it's diamonds wrapping my neck, progress to a god from a god mess. Hopeless, more tests, more blessed. Dug deep down, trying to find my best. Find a beast, had to kill a conquest, I'm next. I'm too on till I'm too off. Come down, make new thoughts, like jumping off of that rooftop. Hold my camera when I do not to make moves based on my mood drops. Like who's lost? Like who's lost? It's yours. Stand on and killing me, rocking my brain full of shame. I don't wanna lose it. Full of stage, trying to find my pain. I see something coming out of that rain. My team, really my team. I'ma never slow down, I'ma never behave. Stuck inside this place, inside this cave. It's taking over. I'm a slave for you.
You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. Cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
So you wanna go to war with me? You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay. Won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. I'm coming for the throne. I'm coming for the throne. So you wanna be my enemy? You should've known I'd never kiss the rain. Ice runs in my veins, won't play it safe. I don't belong with your nobility. Who died and made you king of anything? You think that I'm insane? It's your mistake. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it. I've come to take it. Kingdoms rise and fall. I've come to take it all. I'll take it all. The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. I'm coming for the throne. I'm coming for the throne.
Crack it. Crack it.
Do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.